Let's first get you updates in the gruesome and barbaric murder of the Tamil Nadu BSP chief K. Armstrong. He was murdered right outside his residence in Chennai, and this incident has rocked the entire nation. The 6 bike-borne men attacked Armstrong when he was having a discussion with a few party functionaries near his house in the city's Sembium area and then fled. The family rushed him to a hospital, but he was declared brought dead. Now, the politics over the incident has created ripples across the nation. Tension gripped Chennai as BSP workers rallied outside Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital mortuary where the body of the deceased Neta is kept. The murder has led to significant unrest in the area, with shops and businesses in the vicinity closing down. Meanwhile, there is no end to the political blame game over the incident. BSP chief Mayawati has condemned the incident and demanded stringent action against the culprits. She will also be visiting Chennai soon to pay homage to the deceased and meet the family of the victim.
இந்த பாடி அந்த பரியல் முடிச்ச வரைக்கும் சிலர் இடங்கள்ல முக்கியமான இடங்கள்ல தேவை இருந்த நம்ம பந்தோபஸ்த் ஏற்பாட்டு பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். காலையில இருந்து அவங்க சில இடம் சொன்னாங்க, அவங்க மூலியமா அவங்க பேச்சுவார்த்தை நடக்குது. அந்த பேச்சுவார்த்தை நடக்கும்போது அவங்க முடிவு பண்றாங்க, டிசிஷன் எடுக்கிறாங்க. அது மேல நம்ம எப்படி தேவை இருந்தா சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த பரியலுக்கு ஒரு பந்தோபஸ்த் தர்றோம். நம்ம கேஸ் பத்தி இப்போ சில பேர்
we are supporting the family for burial in all possible ways.
நம்ம டீம் விசாரிக்கிறாங்க. விசாரிக்கும் போது நமக்கு நிறைய தகவல்கள்
our team is investigating this case.
அந்த தகவல் சில விசாரிக்கும் போது வேற ஆள் எத்தனை பேர் இதுல இருக்கிறாங்க.
We are continuously getting new inputs in this case.
எந்த வாகனத்துல வந்திருக்காங்க, எந்த அந்த வெப்பன்ஸ் கத்தி தவிர வேறு என்ன அவங்க பயன்படுத்திருக்காங்க, அதெல்லாம் விசாரிச்சுட்டே இருக்கிறாங்க.
We are trying to ascertain the criminal conspiracy and the actual full-fledged plan that was executed.
விசாரிச்சுட்டு முடிச்சிட்டு கேஸ் பிடி போகணும், ட்ரையல் போகணும். இது சரியான தண்டனை வரைக்கும் கொண்டு போறதுக்கு எல்லாம் ஏற்பாடு.
So after the investigation is over, we'll have a trial. We are right now focusing only on the investigation. We are investigating in all the possible angles.
Motives நம்ம டீம் விசாரிச்சுட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. No, preliminary சொன்னான இது பொலிட்டிக்கல் மோட்டிவ் இல்ல, அரசியல் மோட்டிவ் வரது சான்ஸ் ரொம்ப கம்மி இருக்கு.
There is no political motive to this murder. The possibility of this incident happening because of a political motive is very less.
பிரச்சனை இருந்தது, that was political. Sometime வேற குரூப் தகராறு இருந்தது. So adala maximum nama and angle the visaarichu.
As a politician, of course, he used to have a small political issues.
Kammi irukku. Idu made further detail complete investigation mudicha appuram dhan sollu mudiyum. One by one play.
Well, Dharani is joining us live on the broadcast, and Dharani, can you present a full picture? You were earlier translating what the cops were saying.
Well, Chennai Police Commissioner Rathore has made it very clear that the possibility of this incident having a political motive is very less. He is telling that, of course, Armstrong was a politician, and naturally, as a politician, he used to face political issues now and then. But this murder having a political angle to it, political motive to it, is very less, is what Chennai Police Commissioner Sandeep Rai Rathore is telling, and he is also telling that his team is investigating to ascertain the criminal conspiracy and how this whole plan was executed, what is the actual reason to this murder. All these things are being investigated by the special investigation teams formed by the Chennai Police, and they'll also help the family in all possible ways for the burial, is what the Chennai Police Commissioner has told. And we are right now in the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital. The body of Armstrong is inside the postmortem block here. In another half an hour, the body is expected to be taken to his house in Perambur area of Chennai, where his body will be kept in a private ground, a private school ground, for the party supporters and friends and family to offer tributes and respects. Tomorrow morning, BSP Chief Mayawati, she'll be visiting Tamil Nadu, and she'll be paying her tributes to Armstrong, is what she has